Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to graph a cube root function using the TI-84 calculator. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the button here where it says y equals. So we're going to press that button. And this is the screen where you enter all of the functions into. So now we have to enter the cube root symbol. So what you can do is you can go to this button here that says math. So I'm going to press the math button and scroll down until you find the cube root symbol. So here is the cube root symbol. So it's the fourth one. So now I will press enter. And there we go. So now we just go to the variable key, which is x. And then we have the plus. And then we have the 1. Notice we're still trapped inside the cube root. So to exit that, I'm going to use the right arrow key. So I'll press the right arrow key. And now we're outside of the cube root symbol. So now we can press plus and then 2. So let's just check to make sure everything looks okay. So cube root of the quantity x plus 1 plus 2. Yep, everything looks good. So now just go ahead and hit graph. And there is the graph of our cube root function. You could try to make it better, maybe changing the window a little bit. So if we go to window, maybe change the ymin to say -2 and the ymax to 6, just making up numbers. And that looks a little bit better. So ymax is the number up here, ymin is the number down here. So kind of just purposely zoomed in. Again, I used a ymin of -2 and a ymax of 6. Let me do it again so you see how I did that. So I'm going to go back by going to zoom and zoom standard. So I'm going to go back to that. Okay, so not the best graph. So what you can do is you can eliminate a lot of the space down here by making your ymin smaller. And then some of the space up here by making your ymax smaller. So when I went to window, I decided to make the ymin -2 and then the ymax 6. And what that basically does is that, right? It makes the graph a little bit more clear. I hope this video has been helpful. That's it.